Caught in the rain on my first canoe-in bow hunt. Tamarack Lake, north central Minnesota, Tamarack National Wildlife Refuge. I'm telling you, this is one of those Minnesota moments. This is the kind of stuff I live for. It's not what I planned for my first canoe-in bow hunt. Didn't plan to get soaked out and rained out and leave the ground blind I brushed in earlier this year a little early. But I didn't really want to be paddling back in the dark in the rain. Don't mind paddling back in the dark. Hey, but I didn't want to do it in the rain, soaking wet, so got about 10 minutes to paddle back. I'm just kind of drifting out here right now. The wind's pushing me out to the middle. Grew up canoeing, kayaking lakes, not too far from here, around the lake where our cottage was. This is amazing. Definitely going to be doing more canoeing and bow hunting. Next time though, maybe I'll check the weather forecast. Hey, gotta love being out in God's great tabernacle of the wilderness. God bless you all. Take care.